At number 2, Madeira-The Arieiro to Pico Ruivo, in the Portuguese island of Madeira.
This is the hike that started it all, folks. We were in Madeira for our son's soccer tournament.
We were sightseeing between games, and from the scenic lookout at Pico Ruivo, Madeira's third highest peak, we saw this amazing sidewalk leading into the mountains. It's a trail that asks you to walk it.
So far so good. It has this railing all the way. We are ways up. I don't know if you can even get the sense of it from the camera, but we're 2 kilometers above sea level, and that's probably 1,000 meters down.
Estamos numa área de descanso. Atenção! Oh, até tem aqui uma mesa e bancos de pedra.
So, it turns out that going up is a little bit harder than going down.
It's so hard.
Unless you're Lauren, in which case, Lauren, are you tired?
But
Basically on a cliff.
This is pretty amazing.
Hello.
Hi, Lauren.
Okay, this is us, and this is Lauren. She's not tired, and we're like so tired.
They're breathing like this. Well, I'm breathing like this.
A few days later, the skies were clear and we had some free time, so of course we went back, and the views were epic. But believe it or not, we didn't finish the trail either time, so Madeira is definitely a place we'll return to.
With 3,000 kilometers of trails and several microclimates in an area just a bit bigger than the city of Toronto, mountain views, lush semi-tropical forests, and desert-like moonscapes are a short car ride away from any hotel. Madeira is a hiker's paradise. This is just a typical Madeiran scenery. Just your average run-of-the-mill spot in Madeira. If you ever wanted to climb onto peaks of mountains, here anybody can do it. You don't have to be in shape. All you gotta be able to do is walk upstairs. They have the railings and everything. It's amazing.
Don't forget, next week we'll reveal our top hike ever. You're watching a few teasers now. Tell us in the comments below which trail you think it is. And if you like what you saw in this video, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. See you next week for number 1.